Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English grammar. In this we will study chapter 5 adjectives and chapter 6 comparison. So kids, open your book and take out page number 20. Children, first we will study chapter 5 adjectives, okay? So what are adjectives? Adjectives tell us more about noun, okay? They are also called as describing words. Here is the definition. The word that describe nouns are called describing words or adjectives, okay? Now let us see some examples. So here this is scale, this is long, okay? Now this is also a scale, but this is short, okay? So here adjectives are long scale, short scale. So adjective is long, short. There are different colors also, okay, which describe adjectives, okay? Black, yellow, red, blue, okay? So colors also describe adjectives. Now we will see one more example. This is glass of water. This is a filled glass of water. So this is, water is full in it. Now look at this glass. This is empty, okay? You can see this glass is empty. So here adjective is empty. Here adjective is F-U-L-L, full, okay? Now this is knife, okay? You have seen it in kitchen. Mama using it to cut vegetables and fruits. So this is a sharp knife, okay? Now look here, this is, what is this? This is orange. It is orange in color, it is round in shape, it is sweet and sour, okay? So children, what is adjective for orange? Color is orange. How does it look like? It is round in shape, it can be sweet or it can be sour, okay? Now look here. This is lemon, this is yellow in color, round in shape and it is sour, okay? So what is the adjective for lemon? Round, yellow in color and it is sour in taste, okay? So children, these are some words like round, short, small, fat, thin, full, empty, red, yellow, long, sweet, sour, bitter. You have seen it in examples. So these are the words that tell us about noun, more about noun. They are called adjectives or describing words. So children, you have to keep in mind one thing, that adjectives do not have plurals, okay? We cannot add s or es at end of adjectives, okay? So children, now we will do bookwork of this chapter. Question A, fill in the blanks using suitable adjectives. So some adjectives are given to you. You have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks, okay? Given adjectives are fresh, hungry, new, hot and strong. Number 1 is the dash cat drank all the milk. So what is the correct adjective for cat here? Why cat drank all the milk? Because it is hungry, okay? Correct adjective is H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry, okay? Now number 2, dash fruits are good for us. So which fruits are good for us? Fresh fruits are good for us. Write down here F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Number 3, Rajat likes dash milk. So Rajat likes what kind of milk? Rajat likes hot milk, okay? What is the adjective here? H-O-T, hot. Rajat likes hot milk. Number 4, only a dash person can lift heavy things. So what adjective we will use here? Strong, okay? Only a strong person can lift heavy things. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Number 5, Leena is wearing a dash dress. So Leena is wearing a new dress, okay? The describing word here or adjective here is N-E-W, new, okay? Leena is wearing a new dress, okay children? Now we turn to next question. Question B. rewrite the following sentences using the adjective given in the brackets at suitable places. Number 1 is I have a ball. So adjective given to you in bracket is red, red. What is the color of the ball here? Red. So we will use red in a sentence. Number one has been done for you. I have a red ball. Now number 2, mother has a knife. Adjective given here is sharp. Okay, you have seen knife. What is the adjective we use for knife? Sharp. Okay, so we'll rewrite the sentence. Sentence will be mother has a sharp knife. Number 3, these are apples. Adjective given for apples are sweet. Now we will rewrite the sentence. These are sweet apples. Okay. Number 4, this is a doll. Adjective given for doll is lovely. Okay. So now we will rewrite sentence as this is a lovely doll. Number 5, the boy drank all the water. Adjective given here is thirsty. Okay. We will rewrite the sentence as the thirsty boy drank all the water. Okay. So our question C is, it is on page number 21 and 22. Question is, fill in the blanks by choosing suitable adjectives from those given in brackets. So children, some adjectives are given to you in a bracket. You have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. Okay. Number 1 is the packet is very dash. Two options are given to you, heavy and young. So children, packet can be heavy or young. Packet can be heavy or light. Okay, so here options given are heavy and young. So what we will choose? We will choose HEAVY, heavier. Okay, it is done for you. Now look at number 2. Delhi is a dash city. So options are round and big. So Delhi can be round? No. So Delhi is a big city. Okay. So correct answer is BIG, big. Okay. Now look at number 3. Respecting elders is a dash habit. So respecting elders is a good habit or a bad habit? It is a good habit. We should always respect elders. Okay. So we will choose GOOD, good over here. Okay. Now number 4, the giraffe has a dash neck. You have seen giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. Okay, two options are given, long and short. So you have seen giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. Okay, LONG, long. Now number 6, in winter we like to have dash drinks. So children, nowadays winter is going on. So what you like to have in winters? Hot tea or hot coffee, right? So we will choose HOT, hot over here. Options given to you are hot and cold. We like hot tea or hot coffee in winters. So in winter we like to have hot drinks. Okay. Now children, we move to next questions. Question D. Children, open page number 22. Question D. Rewrite the sentences using the opposites of the underlined adjective. So children, some sentences are given to you. In that, one word is underlined. So you have to rewrite the sentence using opposite of the given word, opposite of the underlined word. Okay. Let us see. Number 1 is the table is dirty. Underlined word is dirty. So what is opposite of dirty? Opposite of dirty is clean. So we will rewrite it. Okay. The table, earlier sentences, table is dirty. Now we will write it as the table is clean. Okay. We have changed, we have used opposite of dirty, clean. Okay. Now look at number 2. Rohan wore new clothes. Okay. So underlined word is new. What is opposite of new? Opposite of new is old. Okay. So we will write sentences. Rohan wore Opposite of new is old. Rohan wore old clothes. Now number 4. Shilpa has long black hair. Opposite of long is short. So we will write it as Shilpa has short black hair. Okay. So children, what we have done in this question, we have written opposite of underlined word, okay, underlined adjective. Now we turn to next question, question E. Question E on page number 22. Write one word for the following phrases. Choose the answer from the box below. Okay, so children, in this question, some phrases are given to you. You have to choose correct one word for the phrase. One box is given to you. Look here. So you have to choose correct word, correct one word for that phrase from the box. Okay. Number 1 is something that costs a lot. So children, one word for this phrase is costly. Okay. This has been done for you. Now look at number 2. Someone who shows a lot of courage. Okay. So the one word for this phrase is courageous. Okay. C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S, courageous. So person who has lot of courage, one word for that is courageous. This is number 2. Now number 3. Number 3 is a cake full of cream. So a cake which is full of cream, we call it as creamy. Okay. C-R-E-A-M-Y, creamy. Now look at number 5. A beach full of sand. So you have been to beach, you have seen beach. So a beach is full of, a beach which is full of sand, we call it as sandy. Okay. S-A-N-D-Y, sandy. Now number 6. Someone who has good manners. So children, we should always have good manners. So someone who has good manners, we call it as well-mannered. Okay. Number 6 is W-E-L-L-M-A-N-N-E-R-E-D, well-mannered. Okay. Now children, we move to next question. Question F on page number 23. Complete the adjectives. All the words end in Y. So children, you have to complete the adjective and all the words end in Y. Look here, all the words end in Y. Number 1 is opposite of light. So opposite of light is heavy. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Okay, you have to complete the word. Now number 3, not difficult. So children, things which is not difficult, it is easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. Now look at number 5, very small. We call very small as tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny. Now look at number 6, not wet. Things which is not wet, it is dry. D-R-Y, dry. Now look at number 7, opposite of full. We have seen it in example. Opposite of full is empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. So children, it is over here. I hope you understood. Now we turn to next question, question G. Page number 23, question G. Write the opposites of the following words. So children, some words are given to you. You have to write opposites of those words. Okay. Choose the answers from the words given in the box. So one box is given to you. You have to choose correct opposite from the box. Words are sad, thin, short, difficult, small, bottom, strong, young, poor and gentle. Okay. Number 1 is fierce. Opposite of fierce is gentle. Okay, this one has been done for you. Now look at number 2. Word given to you is thick. Opposite of thick is thin. Okay, T-H-I-N, thin. Now look at number 4. Word given to you is B-I-G, big. Opposite of big is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Now look at number 6. The word is top. Opposite of top is bottom. Okay, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Now look at number 8. Word is rich. Opposite of rich is poor. Okay, P-O-O-R, poor. Look at number 9. It is weak. So opposite of weak is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Children, rest of the parts you will do it yourself. Okay. Now we will turn to next question. Question H, page number 24. Write the names of the colors that are generally used to describe these things. So children, some things are given to you. You have to write correct color for them. Okay. We have already learned that we describe nouns through color also. Look here. Number 1 is leaf. So you have seen in garden. What is the color of leaf? Color of leaf is green. Okay, G-R-E-E-N, green. Now look at number 3, chocolate. Okay, you love eating chocolate, right? So what is the color of chocolate? Color of chocolate is brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Number 5, milk. Milk makes you healthy and strong. So what is the color of milk? Color of milk is white. W-H-I-T-E, white. So green, brown, white, these all are adjectives to describe some things. Okay, some nouns. Now we will turn to next question. Question I. Some animals are described below. Read the clues and write the names of the animals in the blank spaces. Also circle the adjectives in the sentences. So children, what you have to do in this question? Some adjectives are given to you about an animal. You have to read the adjective. First read the sentence, then observe the adjective. Then you have to write the name of the animal. Okay, and you have to underline the adjective. Okay. Number 1 is, it is a pet animal. Here pet is circled. So we are talking about pet animal. Okay, it is very faithful and wags its tail when it is happy. Faithful and happy is the adjective. It is circled. It is dash. This one has been done for you. So which animal we are talking about? We are talking about dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is faithful and happy. Okay. Now number 2. It is a fierce animal. It is strong and is called the king of the jungle. It has thick golden hair on its head. It is a dash. So children, adjectives here are fierce. You will circle the adjective. Okay, adjective here are fierce, strong, thick, golden. So children, who is called the king of the jungle? Lion is called the king of the jungle. So we will take a clue from here, king of the jungle, and we will write lion over here, L-I-O-N, lion. And adjective we have circled are fierce, strong, thick and golden. Okay. Now look at number 4. It is a naughty animal. It jumps on trees. It copies human beings. It is a dash. Children, here adjective is N-A-U-G-H-T, naughty. Circle it. So we are talking about naughty animal. It jumps on trees. It copies human beings. It is dash. You must have heard story of monkey and a cap seller. So who is there in that story? Monkey is there in the story. Okay. He copies cap seller. So correct animal for this is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Children, rest of the question you will do it yourself. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now we will turn to next chapter, chapter 6, comparison.